The wars happened on July 29.
What happened?
1966. They rounded up all Igbo women they can find anywhere in the north, especially Kano. Put them inside and then drove them into leper settlements. Leper. And dropped them there to be messed up by these people. Some women killed themselves.
Must be taken serious. This video must be in every household because we are actually suffering a pandemic. Yes, a pandemic in a high proportion. The moral which we hold there are being eroded by some alien practices. And what am I talking about? The prostitution. Who, first of all, is the Igbo woman? You can only understand the strength and the value of the Igbo woman when you go back to history before the colonial era and actually before the Nigerian Civil War. The Igbo woman is that powerful woman that holds herself in a very high esteem, that actually understands her value and what she's worth. An Igbo woman is worth more than gold, it's worth more than diamonds, it's worth more than any earthly possession. Before that ugly genocidal war, the Igbo woman was great. I must use that word, was great. Because compared to what we are having today, you will see how degraded this woman has become because she has lost touch about who she was, how powerful, how she protected herself, dignified herself, how she has, everything, a lot of things has actually changed. I was driving through the streets of Owerri some time ago and I was seeing our young women prostituting away their bodies, and I felt so ashamed because I am a young person who, by the grace of God, has been privileged to hear from the older generation how the Igbo woman was. Do you know the closest, the people from the north could get to the Igbo woman is to maybe watch or feel her undies being spread out in the hanger to dry. That is the closest. And when an Igbo woman takes a piece or urinates, they go pack the sand to perceive the aura of the Igbo woman. That is how great the woman was. That when an outsider actually succeeds in marrying the Igbo woman, he goes to celebrate, kill cow, kill goats, to celebrate that, oh, I have married an Igbo woman, and his kinsmen celebrates him and call him all sort of great names because he succeeds in winning over the Igbo woman. So what has become the value of the Igbo woman today? Do you think hooking up with some clients for money for sex is actually what the Igbo woman is known for? That is not the value of the Igbo woman. The Igbo woman is much more than great. She takes care of home. She liberates families they married her into. She holds together. She speaks wisdom. She speaks value in each word spoken out of her. Carries wisdom and value. That which you cannot buy in the market. But today, I cry. I cry for the Igbo woman. I cry because we are lost. We have lost touch of who we are. And now, things has fallen apart. But it's never too late for us to go back. It is never too late for us to retrace, give value to the Igbo woman. And I am encouraging our men, please, value your woman, value your Igbo woman. Help restore her back to her glory days, because it is possible. This is the word of Chukwemeka Ojemba Yumiro Anyanwu nke Idueri. And I am passing this to you. Make out of it whichever you wish. Thank you, and God bless.
Single one of them, were they killed? How come when you now did your own counter coup, you descended on innocent women and children in the north? Promise, you need to see the killing.
Igbo women and children in the north, you're saying?
The wars happened on July 29.
What happened?
1966. They rounded up all Igbo women they can find anywhere in the north, especially Kano. Put them inside and then drove them into leper settlements. Leper. And dropped them there to be messed up by these people. Some women killed themselves.
They were being abused?
Sorry?
Were they abused?
What do you think they were? I said they carried them into leper settlement. All these men that have leprosy and all that. For them to ravage these women. I mean, Igbo women. Some were collected at the market, some were collected on the road. So in their homes, they were rounding them up. Just drove them inside there and then emptied them. And told those, I'm talking of those whose teeth are turned brown. Hygienic standard is not in their life. You can imagine flies all over. You now carry women. Say they should go and ravage them. And these women committed.
This happened in Nigeria.
They died in numbers because some who went through that experience, they never survived it. You can imagine. And this is very contagious. My dear.